Hello, I'm an eagle. I'm going to teach you chemistry. Okay. Here we go. We have a mole map. It's not a perfect mole map. It's got a lot of stuff on it we haven't talked about yet, but we'll make it work. So, what we're solving for here is grams of potassium chloride. And we're starting with potassium chlorate. So, I'm starting with moles, so I'm going to start, my known is right here, and I already know the moles. So what do I do next? I have to multiply by the ratio of the unknown to the known. So I'm going to take 1.07 moles KClO3, and my ratio is 2 to 2. 2 moles of known goes on the bottom. I'm solving for KCl. 2 moles. And then I want grams. So now I'm at this point. I've gone from known times 2 to 2. I'm at unknown. I want grams. To get grams, I multiply by molar mass. It doesn't say grams on this, but that's what it is. So how do I do that? Well, my molar mass of KCl of potassium chloride. Molar mass of potassium chloride is 74.55 grams in 1 mole. And then you would just do the math. I'm not going to take the time to do that. 2.39 moles of potassium chloride. So once again, I'm starting with moles. I need to multiply by the ratio. I'm going to oxygen. Potassium chloride to oxygen is a 2 to 3 ratio. So KCl cancels. And then I multiply by 32.00 grams in 1 mole because oxygen is O2. Oh, and of course, now the dog wants to go out. I gotta tell you, it's a heck of a lot easier just being there and teaching than making videos to sit at home on my couch and watch The Price is Right. Because really, I'd rather be there. 4.2 moles of oxygen. Our ratio is 3 to 2. 3 moles oxygen on the bottom. 2 moles of KClO3 on the top. And then we would multiply by the molar mass, which is 122.55 grams in 1 mole. And now the dog wants in. Now we're going to start with grams of zinc. So we're not on our mole bridge. We're starting down here with mass. We have to get up to the bridge. So we're going to figure out mass, change it to the known amount in moles, and then multiply by the ratio. 2.50 grams of zinc divided by the molar mass of zinc. Okay, Google, what's the molar mass of zinc?
The atomic mass of zinc is about 65.38 atomic mass units.
All right. The ratio of zinc to hydrogen is a 1-to-1 ratio, and we're solving for moles, so our answer, we stop there. The next one, 1.75 grams of zinc chloride. Hey, Google, what's the molar mass of zinc chloride?
Zinc chloride has a molar mass of 136.286 grams per mole.
Can you hear Google telling me in the background? Now we're going from zinc chloride to zinc, which is also 1-to-1. Finally, .50 grams of zinc. We already know zinc because I already asked Google. We're going from zinc to hydrochloric acid. That's a 1-to-2 ratio. Our known goes on the bottom. Our unknown goes on the top. And we do our math. Mass to mass problems. We're starting with 7.6 grams of bromine Molar mass of bromine is 159.808 grams in 1 mole. Our ratio of bromine to water is 1 mole of bromine to 2 moles of water. And we'll find grams by taking 18.02 grams per mole of water. Next one, 36.0 grams of sulfuric acid. Hey Google, what's the molar mass of sulfuric acid?
Sulfuric acid has a molar mass of 98.079 grams per mole.
And I actually knew that. I don't know why I asked. Sulfuric acid, we have a 1 to sulfur dioxide 1-to-1 ratio. 1.8 mole H2SO4 to 1 mole of SO2. Hey Google, what's the molar mass of sulfur dioxide?
Sulfur dioxide has a molar mass of 64.066 grams per mole.
All right, finally, if we're going to start with sulfuric acid, 36.0 grams, and we already know that that's 98.08 grams in 1 mole. And we want to go to hydrogen bromide. Sulfuric acid to hydrogen bromide is a 1-to-2, 1 mole H2SO4, 2 moles HBr. And then we want to change to bromine, to the molar mass, change to grams of hydrobromic acid. Hey Google, what's the molar mass of hydrobromic acid?
Hydrobromic acid has a molar mass of 80.9119 grams per mole.
Gram per mole. All right. Let's see what's on the back, if there's anything tricky. So, you're starting, this is going to be a gram to gram. This is going to be a gram to mole. This is going to be gram to mole, and this will be gram to gram. These are all starting with moles, so you don't have to do the first step, changing it to grams, but you're going to have to make sure you go all the way to grams. I'm not going to do the rest of this because I think hopefully you can figure it out.